Okay, now in this example, we're asked to rationalize the following fraction right here. So to rationalize a fraction means to get rid of any square roots, or any kind of roots really, in the denominator of the fraction. So to achieve this, what could I multiply by the square root of 2 so that it would just become a regular number? Well, remember that what a square root is. So for example, the square root of 9, we know almost knee-jerkedly that that's 3, but the reason it's 3 is because 9 is 3 times 3, and so wherever I have a pair inside a square root, I just take out one of those. So the square root of 9 is 3 because 3 times 3 gives you 9. So if I've got the square root of 2 over here and I want to get rid of the root, I could just multiply by the square root of 2, because then I would have two of the same things under a square root, and I will just get what's inside. But I can't just randomly go multiplying little pieces and bits of a number I have by anything I like and not changing it. So to keep it the same, I would also multiply the top by the square root of 2. Because now, overall, when I do this, I'm really just multiplying by 1. Remember how anything over itself is 1? So I'm not actually changing it, I'm just changing what it's going to look like. So if I multiply these straight across, I'm going to wind up with 6 times the square root of 2 over, we could say, the square root of 4, which, because 4 breaks down into 2 and 2, that just becomes 2 down there. 6 square root of 2 over 2. And then make sure, it is rationalized now, but make sure to simplify as well. So 2 will divide into 6, and so if I do that, 2 into 6 gives me 3. And so I could write this as 3 times the square root of 2. And so there you go. That's fully rationalized because there's no square root in the denominator. And so it's 3 square root of 2, and that is this example.